Hi, my name's Kurt. I'm the founder of Centiment, and I'm here to show you how to get started in the survey platform. So jumping in, we have a blank survey. I can select a question choice and type out my questions the traditional way, but we recommend navigating up to the AI survey builder where you're going to be asked your research goal. So I'm going to be researching the purchasing preferences for ski apparel. We'll be asked some follow-up questions about the target audience. I'm going to say all skiers because I want to focus on a really broad applicable audience. Now we got some follow-up questions. Let me know what kind of options fit or if you have a different goal in mind. So I'm going to say I'm going to work on guiding new product design and features. And it's going to take all of this into account to generate a battery of questions for me that I can iterate on further. So that's thinking, and it came up with 14 questions. I can review them all. I can remove the ones I don't like. I can continue the conversation to iterate on what's here or add additional questions. But once I'm comfortable, I'm going to insert those questions into the build. I can repeat that exercise several times by revisiting the AI survey builder. Now, what you'll notice here is this research goal now has a check on it because it's been populated based on my conversation with the AI. This can be edited at any time, but realize all of the AI assistance throughout the build experience references the questions within the build as well as the context of your goal. So that'll help provide the most informed guidance possible. So next, I'm going to go down here and just manually add a question. So I'm going to start off not by selecting a question type, but just starting with the question statement. So I'll say, what is your gender? And rather than selecting a choice, I can just ask AI to finish the question for me. So it's going to rewrite the statement as needed, select the applicable question type, which is single select, and populate the choices for me. And if I'm working on an existing question and I have some partial data filled in, I can ask it to suggest more choices to extend the choices available. So this really helps expedite the drafting process. Next, we're going to go over the right-hand pane here. This is your provisioning options for any particular question you're on. You can make things optional, randomize them, etc. But down at the bottom, you'll see the most common logic options for that particular question. So if we want to set display logic, I'm going to say, if a particular condition is met above in question one, then show this question. And so that logic will be annotated here. I can re-reference it anytime. I can also access it from the left-hand menu in the logic pane, which will list all my logic sets out. As you build out your logic within your survey, you'll want to test it. So you'll go to preview. You can work through the question set to ensure it's behaving as expected. You can change your theme. You can share a link with others to test. You can also add collaborators to your survey workspace, which contains this particular survey, so they can work on the build with you. Additional features to be aware of are quotas. So if you want it set balancing on age, gender, ethnicity, you can build those quotas out here based on questions within the build. And connections are available to send data to other systems. And translations can be done by uploading professional translations or using the AI translation feature. So that's enough to get you started. Really wish you the best in your research. We can't wait to see what you build.